Hello children. Children, last week we have done lesson number 11, Latula the top 1 of English 2. Today we are going to start with a new lesson of English 2, that is lesson number 12. So take out your English reader books. Take out page number 89. On page 89 we are going to start with lesson number 12, Latula the top 2. Let's start reading with this lesson. Baglu was looking for a house to rob. Now here Baglu is the name of a person. Baglu is the name of a person and what was he looking for? He was looking for a house to rob. Rob means to steal. He wanted to go to some house and wanted to steal things from there. So he was looking for a house where he could steal the things. The tables and chairs had left the door open. Baglu saw that. Children, last week as we have done lesson number 11, Latula the top 1, at the end of that lesson I told you that Latula has gone out of the house and the tables and chairs were trying to catch Latula. So while they were trying to catch Latula, they were following Latula, and while following Latula they had left the doors of the house open. So now as Baglu was looking for a house to rob, to steal the things from some house, so when he saw that this house was there whose doors were open, he got a chance to rob the things from there. So Baglu saw that. What did he see? Baglu saw that there was a house whose doors were open and he could easily go into that house and steal the things. Wonderful, he said and slipped inside. Wonderful means who said this wonderful? Baglu said this wonderful. Why he said wonderful? Because he wanted a house to rob. So he was looking for a house from where he could steal the things. So when he saw that this house was there whose doors were open, so that's why he said, wonderful, I got a house from where I could steal the things because its doors were open. He said and slipped inside. Slipped inside means went quietly inside. I have written the meaning over here. I have underlined the word slipped and the meaning I have written here, went quietly inside. So when he saw that this house was there whose doors were open, he quietly went inside the house. The tables and chairs chased Latula. Now, the tables and chairs, as usual in the last lesson also I told you that they were following Latula because they wanted to catch Latula. Chase means follow. The tables and chairs were following Latula. Why? Because they wanted to catch Latula. Catch me if you can, hummed Latula. Hummed means, I have underlined hummed, meaning is here, make a low sound. So, as the tables and chairs were following Latula to catch Latula, so Latula quietly made a low sound that catch me if you can. These words were told by Latula to whom? To the tables and chairs. Because tables and chairs wanted to catch Latula, so Latula told these tables and chairs, you can, if you can, catch me. She spun around the big table. Spun means to move round and round. Spun means to move round and round. Who was spinning around the big table? Latula. Latula was spinning around the big table. She bounced on the big chair. Bounce means to jump. This Latula was repeatedly bouncing means jumping on the big chair. She tickled the small table. Tickling means, children, you know the meaning of tickling? Like what you call in Hindi, like gudgudi karna. So this Latula started tickling the small table. She made circles around the dining chair's legs. What did Latula do then? She started moving around the legs of the dining chairs. Which are the dining chairs, children? Dining chairs are those which are kept around the dining table. So, Latula started moving around the legs of the dining chairs. Catch that top, yelled the big table. Then the big table yelled. Yelled means shouted that catch that top. The dining chairs tried, the big chair tried, the small table tried. Means who all tried to catch that top? Which was the top? What was the name of the top? Latula. So who was trying to catch Latula? The dining chairs, the big chair, the small table, all these were trying to catch Latula. But Latula zipped around so fast that they all fell into a heap. But this Latula was moving so fast. Zipped around means to move around very quickly from place to place. But this Latula was moving around so quickly from one place to another place that when these tables and chairs were trying to catch Latula, what happened at that moment? All the tables and chairs fell upon each other. Why? Because this Latula was moving very fast, moving very quickly from one place to another place. And these tables and chairs were not able to catch Latula, and as they were following Latula to catch it, they all fell upon each other. Heap means on top of each other, means all these tables and chairs fell upon each other. Latula decided to rest for a while. The mosquito family were flying around too. Now this Latula decided, as it was running very quickly from one place to another place. So for a moment, Latula thought that I should take rest for a while. Why? Because now at that time, all the chairs and tables have fallen upon each other and they were not able to get up because they were all sitting on, they all fell upon each other. So Latula decided to rest for a while. The mosquito family were flying around too. At that time, the mosquito family, all the mosquitoes were also flying over there. They saw Latula resting on the ground. Who saw Latula resting on the ground? The mosquitoes. The mosquitoes saw that Latula was taking rest on the ground. The flying saucer, teeny mosquito shivered. Shivered means to shake lightly due to fear. When these mosquitoes saw that Latula was resting on the ground, at that time one of the mosquitoes, whose name was Teeny Mosquito, he started shivering when he saw that flying saucer, because these mosquitoes were calling that Latula the flying saucer. So that Teeny Mosquito started shivering with fear, means to shake lightly due to fear. Move on to the next page. Let's check, said Granny Mosquito. At that time when Teeny Mosquito cried that there's a flying saucer, at that moment Granny Mosquito told, let me check whether it is a flying saucer or something else. It's just a top, she cried. Then Granny Mosquito told, no, it's not a flying saucer, it's just a top. Wait, we will teach you to chase us out, the mosquitoes shouted. At that time, when Granny Mosquito told that it is just a top, not a flying saucer, so the mosquitoes shouted at Latula that we will teach you how to chase us out, how to move us out. Time to go home, Latula sang. Then Latula started singing that it's time to go home. She flew off. Then Latula flew off from there. The mosquitoes followed. Then mosquitoes also followed Latula. Bugloo was busy filling his bag with stolen things. When these mosquitoes and Latula started flying from there, at that time, what was Bugloo doing? Bugloo was stealing the things from that house and was just filling his bag with all the things which he has stolen from that house. Latula flew bang into his face. Then Latula quickly, when Latula saw that this Bugloo was filling his bag with all the things which he has stolen from that house, so Latula quickly banged into his face, means he collided, means, or you can say Latula hit the face of Bugloo. The mosquitoes flew zoom into his face. Zoom into his face means to move fast with a humming noise. And the mosquitoes also hit into the face of Bugloo. They very quickly came and hit into the face of the Bugloo. The tables and chairs went slam into Bugloo. And the tables and chairs also were coming from there. and they slammed into Baglu. Slam means to crash into something with force. I have written the meaning over here. Slam into Baglu means to crash into something with force. Means the tables and chairs also came with a force, with a great force, and slammed into Baglu. Means they hit Baglu with a great force. Baglu fell flat on the floor. At that moment, what happened? When the tables and chairs slammed into Baglu, means they hit Baglu with a great force. That time, Baglu fell flat on the floor. The mosquitoes began to sting him, and the mosquitoes started biting Baglu. Sting him means the mosquitoes started biting Baglu. The tables and chairs fell on top of him, and all the tables and chairs also fell on top of the Baglu. As he had fell on the floor due to the force of the tables and chairs, so the tables and chairs also fell on Baglu. Children, we will read up till here in this video. Rest of the lesson I will explain you in the next video. Thank you.